Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing ADMAS. ADMAS for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefits from this course. As you know students, in last lecture we started exercise 3.4 and the topic was, you can see on the screen, multiplication, division and simplification of surds. We did first four questions, question number 4, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Today we are going to do some more questions from this exercise. Let's have a look. Question number 5. Question number 5, I have already copied this question. Expand and simplify. Very easy. Part A, root 2 multiply by 3 plus root 2. So when we multiply a number by a bracket, it's very easy. Just multiply a number uh, by each and every number in the bracket. So root 2 into root 3, there is no relation. Just write 3 root 2 plus root 2 into root 2. You have already seen in last lecture two roots. When two roots are multiplied, then their values are also multiplied. So root 2 into root 2 is root 4. 3 root 2 plus root 4 is 2 and the answer is 2 plus 3 root 2 answer. Part B, answer of part A is 2 plus 3 root 2. Part B is root 3 multiply by 2 root 3 plus root 12. Root 3 into 2 root 3 is 2. 3 3 is a 9 plus root 3 into 12 is 12. 3 is a 36. Now 2 multiply by 9 root is 3 plus 36 root is 6. 2 3 is a 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. So the answer of part B is 12. Answer. Come to part C. Root 2 into 5 minus 2 root 2. Root 2 into 5 is 5 root 2 and root 2 into 2 root 2 2 and root 2 into root 2 is root 4. So multiply root values means just multiply inner values of the root. 2 root 2 2 into root 2 into root 2 is root 4 and 2 remains 2. So 5 root 2 minus 2 and root 4 is 2. So 5 root 2 minus 2 to the 4. So the answer is, you can write minus 4 plus 5 root 2. This is the way to writing answer in surds. Part D. Part D is root 3 multiply by root 27 plus 5. Root 3 into root 27. 27 3 is a 81. 81 root plus 5 into root 3. Just write 5 root 3. Root 81. 81 root is 9, plus 5 root 3. So the answer of part D is 9 plus 5 root 3. Come to part E. Part E, root 3 multiply by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 into root 3, root 9 and 9 root is 3. Minus root 3 into 1, just root 3. So the answer is 3 minus root 3 in part E. I did this directly. Part F, root 5 multiply by 2 root 5 plus root 20. So root 5 into 2 root 5. 2 root 5 into root 5 is root 25 plus root 5 into 20 is 5, 20 is a 100. So 225 root is 5 and 100 root is 10. 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Answer of part F is 20. G. G is root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1. This can be done directly if you know the formula a plus b into a minus b is always equals to a square minus b square. So it will be root 2 square minus 1 square. Square and root cancel. So 2 and 1 square is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Answer of part G is 1. Hope you understand. Come to part H. Part H is root 3 plus 5 multiplied by root 3 minus 1. This time we cannot apply the formula of a plus b into a minus b because both the brackets have different second number. In first bracket 5 and second bracket 1. So we cannot apply the formula. Now we just apply the ordinary multiplication method. Root 3 into root 3 is root 9. Root 3 into 1 minus root 3, 5 into root 3. 5 root 3, 5 ones are 5. Root 9 is 3. This is 5 root 3. This is 1 root 3. It means it will be 4 root 3 minus 5. 4 root 3. 3 minus 5 is 2. So 4 root 3 minus 2 is the answer, or you can write minus 2 plus 4 root 3. Okay. Come to part I. Part I is 2 plus root 5 into 2 root 5 plus 1. Again, ordinary multiplication. 2 into 2 root 5. 2 to the 4, 4 root 5. 2 ones are 2 plus root 5 into 2 root 5. 5 5s are 25. So 2 root 25. And root 5 into 1 is root 5. 4 root 5 and this plus root 5. 4 plus 1 is 5 root 5. Plus 2 plus 2. Root 25 is 5. 5 root 5 plus 2 and 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 plus 5 root 5. So the answer is 12 plus 5 root 5. Answer of part I. Now I will make some space in order to do remaining parts. Come to part J. Part J is 3 minus root 2 multiplied by 3 plus root 2. This time we can apply a minus b and a plus b formula because both the brackets have same number. So a plus b and a minus b is a square minus b square. 3 square is 9 and square and root cancel. Answer is 2. 9 minus 2 is 7. Answer of part J is 7. Come to K. Part K. Part K is 4 plus root 3 into 4 minus root 3. Now, again we can easily apply a plus b and a minus b formula. So it will be a, which is 4 square, minus b, which is root 3 square. 4 square is 16, minus square and root cancel, and 16 minus 3 is 13. Answer of part K is 13. Come to part L. Part L is 1 plus root 5 multiplied by 1 minus root 5. Again we can apply a plus b, a minus b formula. So it will be a square, it means 1 square, minus root 5 square means b square. So 1 square is 1, square and root cancel, 5, 1 minus 5 is minus 4. This is the answer of part L. Come to part M. Part M is 4 plus 2 root 3 multiplied by 4 minus 2 root 3. So again we can apply a plus b, a minus b is equals to a square, which is 4 square, minus b square, which is 2 root 3 square. 4 square is 16, 2 square is 4, and square and root cancel 3. 16, 4 3 is 12, 16 minus 12 is 4. Answer of part L is 4. Part M, sorry. Answer of part M is 4. Come to part N. Part N is root 7 plus root 5 multiplied by root 7 plus 2 root 5. This time we cannot apply a plus b and a minus b formula. So we will multiply like ordinary multiplication. Means root 7 into root 7 is root 49, and root 7 into 2 root 5, 5 7s are 35, root 35. Root 5 into root 7 is 35 root, and root 5 into 2 root 5 is 2, 5 5s are 25. 49 root is 7 plus 2 root 35 and 35 is 3 root 35 plus 2 and 25 root is 5. 7 plus 3 root 35 plus 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 7 is 17 plus 3 root 35. So the answer of part N is 17 plus 3 root 35. Now for last part O, I will make some space. Part O, 3 plus 2 root 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2 root 2. Again, we will apply ordinary multiplication method. 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6 root 2, 2 5s are 10 root 2, and 2 root 2, 2 root 2, 2 2s are 4, and root 2 into root 2 is 4. 15 plus 6 root 2 and 10 root 2 is 16 root 2 plus 4 into root 4 is 2. 15 plus 16 root 2 plus 4 2s are 8. 15 and 8 is 23 plus 16 root 2. This is the answer of part O. Answer is 23 plus 16 root 2. And this is question number 5. We did all parts. Come to question number 6. This is question number 6. Expand and simplify. Part A. 2 plus root 5 whole square. Very easy. Expand this by using a plus b whole square formula. The formula is a square plus 2a b plus b square. I repeat again, I applied a plus b whole square formula. Here a is 2 and b is root 5. 2 square is 4. 2 to the 4 root 5 plus square and root cancel 5. 5 and 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 root 5. This is the answer of part A of question number 6. 9 plus 4 root 5. Come to part B. Very easy questions. 5 minus root 3 whole square. In this question, apply a minus b whole square formula. A square minus 2ab plus b square. 5 square is 25 minus 2 5s are 10. Root 3 plus square and root cancel 3. 25 plus 3 is 28 minus 10 root 3. This is the answer of part B. 28 minus 10 root 3. Now come to part C. I hope you understand. These are very easy questions. C is 4 plus 5 root 3 whole square. Again apply a plus b whole square formula. Here a is 4, a square plus 2 into a is 4 into b, 5 root 3 plus b square, 5 root 3 square. 4 square is 16 plus 2 4 is 8, 8 5 is 40 root 3 plus. Apply square in both numbers. 5 square is 25 and multiply by square and root cancel 3. 16 plus 40 root 3 plus 25 3 is 75. 75 and 16. 91. So 91 plus 40 root 3 is the answer of part C. 91 plus 40 root 3. Come to last part D. Root 2 plus root 3 whole square. Apply a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Square and root cancel 2. Then 2 root 2 into root 3 is root 6 plus square and root cancel 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer is 5 plus 2 root 6. This is the answer of part D. 5 plus 2 root 6. And question 6 has finished. Come to question number 7. Question number 7 is a word problem of Surds. And student, you must know these are the important questions. These questions comes in your exam. Okay. A rectangle has sides of length L is equals to 2 plus root 8 centimeter, and the side other side definitely is the width 7 minus root 2 centimeter. Find the area of the rectangle. Express your answer in the form of a plus b root 2. Very easy. You know the formula of the area of the rectangle is length multiplied by width. Length is given 2 plus root 8 multiplied by width is 7 minus root 2. Apply ordinary multiplication. First multiply 2 by the 7 minus root 2. 2 7s are 14, and 2 into root 2 is just root 2. Root 8 into 7 is 7 root 8, and root 8 into root 2 is 16 root 2. Sorry, 16. 14 minus 2 root 2 plus 7. 8 is 4 into 2, and root 16 is 4. This 14, this 4 can subtract. 14 minus 4 is 10, minus 2 root 2 plus 7. The square root of 4 is 2. 2 is outside. 2. 10 minus 2 root 2 plus 7 to the 14 root 2. Okay. So 10, 14 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 12 root 2 centimeter square, because dimensions are given in centimeter. The area of rectangle is 10 plus 12 root 2 centimeter square. And this is the requirement. Write the answer in a plus b root 2. Here a is 10 and b is 12. Hope you understand this question number 7. Come to question number 8. This is question number 8. Very easy question. Part A. Find the value of AC square. So student, as you know, this is a right angle triangle. So in right angle triangle, you can apply the Pythagoras theorem. This side is the hypotenuse called C. This side is the base, and this side is the perpendicular. So the formula of the Pythagoras theorem is C square is equals to A square plus B square. Here C is AC, so we have to write AC square. A is 9 root 3, obviously square, and B is 5 root 2 square. AC square is equals to 9 square is 81, multiply by square and root cancel 3. 5 square is 25, square and root cancel 2. AC square is equals to 81 multiply by 3. 243. 243, 25 into 2, 50. So 243 plus 50 is 293. Answer of part A is 293. AC square is 293. Part B. Part B is find the value of 10x. Write your answer in the form of A root 6 upon B. This is a right angle triangle, and in right angle triangle we can apply the trigonometrical ratios. Angle is given 10x. So 10 is opposite upon adjacent. Opposite of x is 9 root 3 and adjacent is 5 root 2. So 9 root 3. First, because we need to give the answer in a root 6 upon b. So in order to give the answer in this form, we have to multiply and divide the question root 2 by root 2. And now 9 root 3 into root 2 is root 6 upon 5. Root 2 into root 2 is root 4. 9 root 6 upon 5. Root 4 is 2. So 9 root 6 upon 5 2s are 10. This is the requirement of the question. Give the answer in the form of 9 root 6 upon 10. And we fulfill the requirement. Come to part C. Part C is find the area of the triangle. Write your answer in the form of P root 6 upon Q. Very easy. And you must know in this question A is 9, A is 9 and B is 10. Now come to C part, area. Area of right angle triangle is 1 upon 2 into base into height. 1 upon 2. Base is 5 root 2 and height is 9 root 3. 1 upon 2. 5 nines are 45 and root 2 into root 3 is root 6. Okay. Now we can write this 45 ones are 45 root 6 upon 2. And this is the requirement of the question. Here P is 45. The coefficient of root 6 as you can see in part C, and Q is 2, the denominator. Okay. So this is the answer of part C. This is P. Hope you understand question number 8. Now come to question number 9. This is question number 9. A cuboid has a square base. The side of a square of length 1 plus root 2. Cuboid. Square base. I am drawing a rough cuboid over here. This is a cuboid. The side of the square. It means this side is 1 plus root 2 and this side is also 1 plus root 2 because in a square all sides are equal. And this is the height. Height is 5 minus root 2. Find the volume of the cuboid. Express your answer in the form of a plus b root 2. The volume of cuboid is length into width into height. The length is 1 plus root 2 The width is also 1 plus root 2 because it's a square base, and the height is 5 minus root 2. First we have to multiply first two brackets. 1 plus root 2 and 1 plus root 2 can be right if the bases are same, then powers are added. 1 plus root 2 and 1 plus root 2 is 1 plus root 2 whole square, and this 5 minus root 2 is remains 5 minus root 2. Apply a plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Close this bracket. And this 5 minus root 2 is remains 5 minus root 2. 1 square is 1, 2 ones are 2, root 2 plus square and root cancel 2. 5 minus root 2. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 2 root 2 into 5 minus root 2. Multiply these two brackets. 3 5s are 15. 3 into root 2 is 3 root 2 plus 5 2s are 10. 10 root 2 and 2 root 2 into root 2 minus 2 root 2 into root 2 is root 4. 15. 10 root 2 minus 3 root 2 is 7 root 2 minus 2 into root 4 is 2. I am doing remaining work over here. 15 plus 7 root 2 minus 2 2s are 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. 11 plus 7 root 2. 11 plus 7 root 2 centimeter cube, because the unit of the volume is cube and all the dimensions are in centimeter. The answer is centimeter cube. So the requirement was give the answer a plus b root 2. Here a is 11 and b is what? 7. A is 11 and b is 7. Hope you understand. It is not necessary that you mention A and B, but I am just showing it to you that we have fulfilled the requirement. So this is question number 9. We have finished, and this is your exercise 3.4. As you know, students, I always do each and every question and each and every part. You can see my hard work. If we calculate that how many questions in this exercise, you can see 2 4 6 8 8 part in question number 1, 20, and 3 6 9 12 part in question number 2, 25 parts in question number 3, 15 parts in question number 4, 15 parts in question number 5, and 4 parts in question number 6, and question number 7, 8 and 9. 3 questions. So there are 82 questions in this exercise 3.4. I did each and every question with each and every part, just like chapter number 1, chapter number 2, and we are doing chapter number 3. So this is my hard work only for you. What I want from your side, I want your side that whenever you sit in exam, you will get full marks. And this is the only subject in whole world where you can get full marks. Full marks means if you have 100 marks paper, you can get 100 on 100 or whatever. And second is, if you like my videos, my lectures, kindly do subscribe my channel. Share my videos to all of your friends. Next exercise 3.5. See this, which we will do in next lecture. Rationalizing the denominator of a fraction. Rationalizing the denominator of a fraction. It's very easy exercise. How many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 questions. Exercise 3.6. Solving equations involving surds. How many questions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then chapter, the end. So only two exercises are left in this chapter, chapter number 3. And after this chapter, we will start chapter number 4. So hope you understand today's class. And if you are watching these videos, if you are watching my lecture first time, kindly first go to my playlist where you can see the folder name is AddMath. First watch previous lectures and then watch this lecture. It will be very beneficial for you. Okay students, good luck for next lecture.